Hi friends, we are solving an interesting cubic equation. As you know, a cubic equation has at most three solutions and we're trying to find out all the solutions. So to begin with, let me write the equation like this, taking 8 to the left side. This implies 8 is 2 cubed. So I'm writing it as third power of 2. You can factorize this third degree polynomial as follows. See, I'll show you the algebraic identity to be used. A cubed minus b cubed equal to a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. Making use of this identity, here a is x and b is 2. So you will have a minus b as x minus 2 multiplied by x squared. That is a square plus 2 into 2 multiplied by x. Twice x, that is the AB term, then plus 2 squared equal to 0. Now we got the third degree polynomial factorized into a linear polynomial and then a quadratic polynomial. Rather we have product of two polynomials being equal to 0. That implies either x minus 2 equal to 0 or x squared plus 2x, 2 squared is 4, equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0 implies you get 2, so we got one solution. Now as you know, there are two more solutions which you will get from this quadratic part. So let's solve this quadratic equation using the formula. There are different ways to solve a quadratic equation. Here it is best to go for a formula because the roots are going to be imaginary, which you can make out from the quadratic equation. So let me use the formula. In formula, what does it say? The roots of a quadratic equation like ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 are given by x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. So this is the formula to find out the roots of a quadratic equation. Now you compare the general form of a quadratic with the quadratic equation we have. So comparing that, a is equal to what? 1. B equal to 2. C equal to 4. Now all you need to get the roots is to substitute these values in this formula. Substituting that here, minus 2. B is 2 plus or minus b squared. That is 2 squared minus 4. A is 1. Again C is 4. The whole divided by 2. A is 1. So this is what you simplifying this, you get both the roots. So that's equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 squared is 4, minus 4 multiplied by 4 is minus 16. So you have 4 minus 16 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 2 plus or minus, you get minus 12 divided by 2. Now that's equal to, let me simplify square root of minus 12 separately. Square root of minus 12 you can write as 4 multiplied by minus 3, which is equal to square root of 4 multiplied by square root of minus 3. Square root of 4, as you know, is 2 and minus root 3 we will write like this, 3 multiplied by minus 1, which is 2 square root of distributing root sign. You have this root 3 multiplied by root minus 1, and this is equal to 2 root 3 I, where I stands for square root of minus 1. It's an imaginary number. Let me substitute the value of square root of minus 12 as 2 root 3 I here. So you have minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 I. That is the value of this thing. The whole divided by 2. Now dividing both the terms by 2, you get minus 1 here, plus or minus, these two cancelled, you have root 3 I. These are the two roots of, rather other two roots of the given equation, x cubed minus 8. So x equal to 2. This is one root. Let me pick a plus sign from here and write this term first, root 3i minus 1, second root, then giving minus sign, minus root 3i minus 1. These are the three roots of the given equation. Now let me choose the middle one and verify whether we got the correct solution. So we will substitute this value in the given equation. Rather the left side of the equation we will replace by this, simplify, see whether we are getting the right side to see solution is correct. This is the given equation to be solved. Now let me plug in root 3i minus 1 as x on the left side. So x cubed equal to plus root 3i minus 1 the whole cubed. Let me use this identity a minus b the whole cubed. This on expansion you get a cubed plus 3ab squared minus 3a square b minus b cubed. This is the expansion. We will use this identity and expand this. In the given expression, root 3i is a and b is 1. So on removing the bracket, you will have root 3i the whole cubed plus 3 root 3i. Look at this 3, this is a, then b squared. b is 1, so you will have 1 squared minus 3 a squared, which is root 3i the whole squared multiplied by b, which is 1. Then the last term 1 the whole cubed. Now we will simplify this. See, this will be root 3 the whole cubed, I cubed. This will be 3 root 3 I. 1 square is just 1 and this will be 3 root 3 squared multiplied by I squared into 1 minus 1 cubed. Root 3 cubed will be root 3 multiplied by root 3. And what about I cubed? You can split it like this. I squared multiplied by I plus 3 root 3 I minus 3. This will be root 3 multiplied by root 3. Then comes the I squared. See, I equal to root minus 1. So I squared will be just minus 1. So let me substitute that here. I squared is minus 1 cubed 1. Now root 3 into root 3 you know is 3. Then comes this root 3. I squared already shown to you minus 1. So minus 1 multiplied by I. So that will be minus I. Okay. Then comes 3 root 3 I. Again root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3. And that 3 into this 3, 9. Then you can write this minus first. 3 root 3 I plus 3 root 3 I minus multiplied by minus plus. So plus 9 you have, minus 1 you have. Now look at these two terms. They cancel out. Different signs. This is plus, this is minus. And finally you have 9 minus 1, which is equal to 8. And this is the right side of the given equation. This shows what? The solution we got is correct. I have verified only this root. This is a trivial case. This I have verified. In the same way, using the same logic, I am leaving to you to verify this solution. You can do it yourself. If you liked what you saw in my video, please hit the like button and also let me know through your comments. And if you found the video helpful, help grow the channel by subscribing to it and pressing the bell icon so that you will get notified of other videos of mine. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.